Hey, Doc Martinez here, and I got something special to show you guys today. I got this in. Yep, Weller Cohiba. Have you ever seen this? I had seen it one time at a liquor store. It was just in the box, and they had it actually, you can buy individuals. I found somewhere that could actually order me a whole one. So I want to give a shout out to US Liquor Store here in, they have 3 stores, or 4 stores now. So they were nice enough to find this, order a whole box for me. But I just want to show you this presentation, how amazing this is. Look at this. This box is beautiful. Move that off to the side. And then you pull this out. I'm just going to flip this over for now just to show you. And this is what it comes in. This beautiful paper. And I think it holds down right there. And then you pull out the box. So we can just pull that out. And then look at this gorgeous box it comes in. Isn't that amazing? Then you go and you just open that up and look at that. Wow, wow, wow. I love it, love it, love it. So let me know what you think. When I hit 2,222 subs, I'll be giving some of these away. So just another reason to join. Cheers, my friends, to our next journey.